Thank you for your coming.
Ka bedin klam kelakut hajuai hakani kisi palai hak balawan saki ki pajba na keleng gijaka kani kalong kawai na gijing le niam bakong santam ke jaj meru pena badjong kami kalahi barok kawai kakten bedin klam kamut ban penpet ne be ya ke jingpang kani kala niam ke balalong season system kalong ban duai kerpat yo blai ban kerkhui ki pajba da ke jingkot jingkhia ke jing mentoy hakrep karyang ke jing start balan pelaj na ke ya ke sinong na ke jingpang bar ki mensem beman kasyat ra kham isyong kun na ke jingwan sakhilang terang ba ke jela asam himanta biswas sama rengkat ki hek soka na ke jela kentup usembut mitang ba ke jela ba sewang dhar bar ki wei inong pelong ya kale niam ki ngej ba kane ka dai ke jing rakhi ban wan ke jing khia ke jing koj bat kandu no ke jing steun har sinong ha ka thau layo i ya ki rot ki ba he bat ki ba pen dang itenat ba da ki ding ki jan ba ki rong ki ba ipu ki jing dang ki jing ruai tan rai ki samla kan thai ba sindang da ki jan tan rai penar ba ka jing peniang ya ki rot sya ka jing ten etnar ha ka sngi khatdu kamut ka jing job jong ka jing bha persya ya ka jing sneu ba ka jing pendu no ya ka jing pang ka jing wan jong trang ba ka asam ban sakhilang ya ka syat ka pen isya ya ka jing para ba ka jing long kawai ha padang ki atri ki jela ka mikraya ban asam kinong jong mikraya ru ki ai khulai ya ka jing wan jong u ka jing rakhi ka kut da ka jing duai ban kerpat ka jing mentoy ka suk ka sain ba ka jing ka jing khia nam ta usnem bandang wan
Thank you for your coming.
Raining moment, we come to witness as when the sunlight shore has come nearby. This shows their strong belief in the villages and cultures that has been passed to them from their great father. Conduction has made presenting us the history culture and the contemporary piece. As one section of the rest remind us of the 17 years from 1931 to 1937, during which the Butterfly Festival was done under the colonial rule. David displayed the liberty to through the resistance of our ancestors, the determination and care that this sacred tradition survives and continues to flourish today. Other America, the liberty has also taken over inspired by the people worker. This celebration of excellency, dedication to work and precision and greatness demonstrates how the traditional advisors can embrace contemporary teaching and protect the value of different people. from the work from the sympathy. The participation is a beautiful reflection of the unity and the share of the personal heritage of our indigenous community. And then our colors and the people that are using the generation, the body plan, demonstrating traditional continue to bring people together in the spirit of unusual respect and harmony. This year, Singapore presenting a beautiful traditional work, showing the richness of our indigenous culture and the remarkability shape as the happy traditions clearly urging the mind, the doctor of the beauty ancestor and serve as a reminder of the importance of preserving, protecting, a tradition and identity. In which the secular command with knowledge for him before the phenomenon of knowing the personal right and ritual. Learning this ceremony, making important research and work to all the time of the Lenten, following the valid traditional ritual teachings of our ancestors. The thing that should go together